Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain you how you can resend a Klaviyo campaign to people who didn't open your original email. Let's jump right into it. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and heading over to the audience section in the left-hand menu from there. Go to lists and segments and click on create list segment. Then choose the segment option. Name your segment something like Unopened. You can name it anything you like and optionally add a tag. Now it's time to set the conditions that will define this segment. First, set the condition to what someone has done and choose received email. Then make sure it's set to at least once over all time. Next, add another condition using the and connector. Again, choose what someone has done, but this time select opened email and set it to 0 times over all time. Then add one more and condition, select clicked email and set this as 0 times over all time as well. Once you've added all 3 conditions, click Create Segment at the top. After a few seconds, your segment will appear under the Lists and Segments section. You can now use this segment to resend your campaign specifically to contacts who received the email but didn't open or click it.